Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today, even though it doesn't look like it, we're starting to get towards spring. Guys are gonna pull their air drills out and start getting things ready to go, working on their sprayers. Number one thing usually is electrical issues. This is just one example. We've said this over and over. Electrical contact cleaner, get some good stuff. Keep it around so that you can spray inside of those terminals. A lot of guys think that you should use dielectric grease on the actual terminals themselves. With dielectric grease, you want to use it around the housing to help seal, to protect the whole fitting from corrosion so that you don't get water and dirt inside of there. But the main thing, clean it with some electrical contact cleaner, let it dry, put some dielectric grease around the housing and connect it back together. This will ensure a nice clean connection, that you get good electricity flow back and forth through those terminals, and then the dielectric grease protects it from having any water or any contaminants in there that make it start to short out. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.